Okay, nothing ever happened. I can never fit in this, I'm too tall. What's going on in the background? Hoovers! Oh, my stomach. I'm so hungry. Oh yeah, sorry. Ooh, pretty mats. Pretty. Ooh, I think that I found my secret cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. Ooh, I think that I found my secret cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. Here we go. You two, get off the table and stop making out. Oh! Sorry. Fail. That just failed. I know, butter your face! Okay, I'm sorry. Woohoo! I believe I can fly. That was trippy. Okay! Fire hearts. The carrots are ready. Thank you. Ow! I might as well just sit up here. That totally just worked. We need to make some more chairs. What is he doing up there? Na na na. La 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 la. Okay, that doesn't matter right now. Guys, popcorn's on the table. Oh, I think that I found Mr. Cheerleader. Guys, popcorn is on the. Okay. We heard. Nom. Ooh, I think that I found Mr. Cheerleader. Sandstorm, did you hear that? I sure did. Come on, let's go. Oh, I know. Wait. You know what to do. It's a big fat bug. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I need to pee! Oh, I just peed. I'm peeing!
Annalise, you need to charge that up now.
No. Ow!